Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create the macro scene effect on Higgsfield AI. So we can see how and what the macro scene effect looks like. Now, to create something like this for your product, all you have to do is to go to this website called Higgsfield.ai. And in case you're wondering what Higgsfield can do for you, it is the best AI visual effect creator on the market. So all you have to do is to go to apps after creating an account with Higgsfield.ai, scroll and choose the macro scene effects. Then you'll be brought to a page like this where you get to see the effects of the image you uploaded. Now this is the original image uploaded. This was the original image uploaded, and you can see the effect that was created using the image and the effect. So all you have to do is to upload your image, your product image. You can even see it says show product details in an adaptive environment. So all you have to do is to upload your perfect product image here, then scroll and choose the video because we want about I think it's 5 seconds video. So click on generate video, and you would see that it says 15 takes about 15 credits. So these 15 credits is very much affordable, especially if you're using the free accounts. It's really if you're using the premium account, and even if you're using the free account, you can actually create these particular effects for free. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much.